There's a setting buried in your phone right now that's quietly making it slower. And Apple got sued for over $500 million for never telling you it exists. You know the feeling. Keyboard lagging, apps taking a second too long to open, battery dying faster than it used to. And weirdly, it always seems to happen right around the time a new phone comes out. Turns out that's not a coincidence. It's not in your head, and it's not really a conspiracy either. It's something Apple actually did, on purpose. Back in 2017, iPhone 6 and 6S owners started noticing their phones randomly shutting off, even with battery left. Apple's fix was a software update that slowed the phone down whenever the battery got old, and they didn't tell anyone. Nobody found out until a Reddit post and a benchmarking app called Geekbench showed the same pattern over and over. Older batteries, slower phones. Here's the actual reason. An aging lithium battery can't deliver power in quick bursts anymore. Think of it like a car battery on a freezing morning. It's not dead, it just can't give you that one big jolt of energy on demand. So instead of letting the phone crash, iOS quietly slowed the processor down to match what the battery could still handle. And before you go blaming Apple specifically, Android phones do the exact same thing. Every single lithium battery on Earth degrades this way. Apple's mistake wasn't the fix, it was staying silent about it. And that silence is what actually cost them 25 million euros in France, a $500 million settlement in the US, then another 113 million across 33 states for not being upfront about it. Apple didn't get in trouble for slowing your phone down. They got in trouble for lying about why, and only one of those is actually illegal. Now, let me tell you something interesting. Your battery isn't just a part that wears out eventually, it has an actual lifespan. Apple rates most current iPhone batteries for around 1,000 full charge cycles before they drop to about 80% of their original capacity. And here's the one habit that matters most. Keeping your phone between 20 and 80% instead of running at 0 to 100 can make your battery last up to 4 times as many cycles. Avoid letting it sit constantly at 100%, and avoid letting it die at 0%. Turn on optimized battery charging in your settings, and it'll handle most of that for you automatically. And heat is the real enemy. Leaving your phone in direct sun or a hot car causes permanent damage, not just a drained battery. And if your phone does feel slow, you can turn the throttling off manually in that same battery health menu. Apple just warns you the phone might shut down unexpectedly if you do. Most of the time, the real fix isn't a new phone. It's a new battery for under $100. So the next time your phone feels slower than it used to, it's probably not Apple plotting against you. It's just a battery getting old. Same as it does in mine. Same as it will in yours.